Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to download and install the Roblox on PC, Mac, iOS, and Android. Super simple and easy. So let's get started. First, to download the Roblox on PC or Windows, visit the official Roblox website using a modern browser like Edge, Chrome, or Firefox. Then log in or create an account. Then here, click play on any game. This triggers the Roblox player.exe installer. Run the downloaded exe file and click Run or OK to install. Then after installation, clicking play on the website will launch the Roblox player automatically. And to download the Roblox on Mac OS, go to the roblox.com and log in using your browser like Safari, Firefox, and more. Then here, click play on any experience. Then select download and install Roblox. Open the downloaded .dmg installer and double-click Roblox Player Installer.app. Confirm the app launch and Roblox will installed and auto launch will clicking play. And to download the Roblox to your iOS or iPhone and iPad, open the App Store. Search for the Roblox by the Roblox Corporation and get installed. Open the app and sign in and start playing. Then for the Android, just go to the Google Play Store and search for the Roblox and tap install. And when launched, sign in and enjoy. And that's how you download and install Roblox on PC, Mac, and iOS and Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching!